Here's a conversation between Ria and Sarah about how AI is useful in daily life.
Hi Sarah. Do you know much about AI?
A little, Ria. Why do you ask?
I was wondering, how do you think AI is useful in our daily lives?
AI helps us in many ways, like using virtual assistants.
Oh, like Alexa or Siri.
Yes. They answer questions and set reminders.
Can AI help with online shopping?
Absolutely. It gives recommendations based on what you like.
What about travel?
AI finds the best routes and helps book tickets easily.
Do you think AI helps students?
Yes, it helps with learning apps like Duolingo.
Can AI help with cooking?
Yes, there are apps that suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have.
What about fitness?
AI-powered fitness trackers like Fitbit monitor your health and suggest exercises.
Does AI help with music?
Definitely. Apps like Spotify use AI to suggest songs you might like.
How does AI help in watching movies?
Streaming platforms like Netflix recommend shows based on what you watch.
Can AI help me organize my day?
Yes, AI assistants like Google Calendar remind you of tasks and events.
What about news?
AI curates news articles based on your interests.
Can AI help me with writing?
Of course. Tools like Grammarly check grammar and suggest better words.
What about designing something?
AI tools like Canva help create professional designs easily.
Can AI help in finding jobs?
Yes, platforms like LinkedIn use AI to match you with suitable jobs.
How does AI help in online shopping delivery?
AI optimizes delivery routes to ensure packages arrive faster.
Does AI help doctors?
Yes, AI helps in diagnosing diseases and planning treatments.
Can AI assist in learning math?
Absolutely. Apps like Photomath solve problems and explain steps.
Does AI work in banking?
Yes, AI helps detect fraud and manage accounts.
Can AI help me find a place to eat?
For sure. Apps like Google Maps and Yelp use AI to recommend restaurants.
How does AI help with weather updates?
AI predicts weather patterns and gives accurate forecasts.
Can AI help people with disabilities?
Yes, AI tools like screen readers and voice recognition assist them greatly.
Is AI used in cars?
Yes, self-driving cars and parking assist systems use AI.
Does AI help in gaming?
Absolutely. AI makes games smarter and more engaging.
Can AI help me relax?
Yes, meditation apps like Calm use AI to personalize relaxation exercises.
Can AI help save energy?
Yes, smart home devices like thermostats optimize energy usage.
Does AI make online payments easier?
Yes, AI-powered systems ensure secure and quick transactions.
Can AI help in agriculture?
Yes, AI monitors crops and predicts the best time to harvest.
Does AI help in social media?
Of course. It curates your feed and suggests friends.
Can AI help in shopping offline too?
Yes, some stores use AI for quick billing and inventory management.
Does AI help in security?
Yes, AI powered cameras detect unusual activities.
Can AI detect spam emails?
Definitely. AI filters spam and keeps your inbox clean.
Does AI improve customer service?
Yes, chatbots answer customer queries quickly.
Can AI help in creative tasks?
Yes, AI tools assist in creating art, music, and writing stories.
How does AI help in education?
AI personalizes learning and tracks progress.
How does AI help in healthcare?
It analyzes patient data and predicts health risks.
Is AI improving every day?
Yes, AI is constantly evolving and getting smarter.
Wow, AI really is everywhere.
It is, it makes our lives easier in so many ways.